Retail investors in Canada will soon be able to get exposure to Bitcoin through a fully regulated, closed-end fund. The world first, as it is being described, is the result of a battle between fund manager 3iQ and the Ontario Securities Commission. The imaginatively titled The Bitcoin Fund should be available to Canadian retail investors later this year. It is expected to be listed for trading on a major Canadian stock exchange. According to a press release from 3iQ, the Ontario Securities Commission (OSC) approved the new fund earlier today. Having been rejected by the regulator in February, the company launched an appeal. It claimed that it would be following current regulatory guidelines for custody, pricing of the asset BTC itself, and the auditing process. As part of today's hearing on the matter, OSC Commissioner Lawrence P. Harbour stated that the regulatory body had not sufficiently proved that such a fund built around Bitcoin could not be compliant with existing regulations. He also refuted the notion that retail investors were not sophisticated enough to perceive the possible risks of investing in digital currencies such as Bitcoin. Chairman of 3iQ, Howard Atkinson, commented on the victory, described by the firm's social media department as landmark. Meanwhile, Tyler Winklevoss, the co-founder of the Gemini crypto asset trading venue, called the ruling history in the making, adding he was proud that 3iQ would be using his firm's Bitcoin custody solution to protect users' investments. Tyler's twin brother, Cameron, added, "These partners not only include Gemini but also Van Eck, one of the firms behind repeated efforts to bring the first Bitcoin ETF to the US market." Fred Pai, president and CEO of 3iQ, also provided comment about the ongoing work the firm has undertaken with the OSC. It remains to be seen if the Bitcoin fund will prove popular amongst investors. However, the ruling is a pretty big step towards greater regulatory acceptance of the asset class, with most regulated Bitcoin platforms around the world being reserved for accredited investors only. Related reading: Bitcoin trades at large premium in Argentina as dollar purchase restrictions set in.